was out till 4 this morning looking, and went to take a nap and come back. Getting back at it now. It's in our livelihood. It's what we was brought up to do. Anytime anyone's in the mine out here in the lake, this is our home. We know it like the back of our hands. Just try to help the best we can, you know. Somebody's father, son, you got to get them home. Rather deceased, live, we don't know, but we're going to get to him and find out. If he's alive, we're going to get to him. We're going to bring him home. Got that. Right here? Air conditioning. Shit, we need gas on it, you don't want to be back there. Now you're about to get a cool breeze miss. It's wet.
Is it in the water?
When I was a kid, I remember my dad always doing it, you know. My dad would always go help the sheriffs anytime on any water rescue, and just something I like to help people. Whatever I can do to help somebody, I'll do it to help them. I cut a trail big enough where the rescue can get the airboat in there to get to them, to get the body and everything else out, to get the pilot and everything, whatever they got to do, investigate. You have so many variables, you know, weather, mechanical issues. The helicopters usually fly these pipelines to check for leaks, just this way of preventive maintenance is fairly quick and effective. Unfortunately, we had something like this happen today. You wouldn't recognize it as a helicopter. That's the best way I can explain it. It's just like a pile of trash sitting out there. 80 to 100 yards in the woods. 80 to 100 yards from where we stand. It's thick. It's real thick. A lot of snakes. It's a bad area. Bad area to be in. Usually I'm looking for broke down boats, somebody stranded, somebody stuck. It's the first helicopter crash I've ever come and actually went and helped on.